बेटी है, बेटी दामाद हैं दोनों हमारे, और मैंने ही शुरुआत में इनको आशीर्वाद दिया है। तो भगवान की दया से जीरो से यहाँ तक पहुँच गए हैं, और ये सबसे बड़ी खुशी है मेरे के लिए। और मैं पूना से आई हूँ, बस बच्चों की खुशी में ही हमारी खुशी है। नमस्कार।
Organization called Runwal Reality, wherein when I joined the organization, the safety system was highly unstructured. So once I joined in, I developed, implemented and streamlined the safety systems. And like all other companies, I too faced the challenge of enforcing the norms. So then I thought of a noble idea of developing a safety reward and recognition program, which brought in some competitiveness, and over a period of time it has helped me to improve the safety compliance to the next level. And by implementing the safety norms, recently in the month of January, our organization, one of our sites got the Shrestha Suraksha Puraskar from National Safety Council of India, and now I am here receiving my next award. I thank the Inspire Safety Foundation for this initiative and recognizing my contribution to the construction safety. Thank you very much.
My name is Jaimin Patel, and we are applying very first time for this LISA award from Inspire Safety Foundation. At Ahmedabad, High-Tech Projects Private Limited company, construction company, is working on, our specialty is on high-rise building like 15-story to 32-story. We have completed multiple high-rise building at Ahmedabad from 15-story to 32-story, and we have get CIDC Vishwakarma Award, NSA Award previously, like multiple time. And first time I have applied in this LISA Award, and I am very happy to get this award, and I appreciate Inspire Safety Foundation to manage this type of functions and award.
जळगाव प्रथम सेफ्टीवर जो काही अवॉर्ड फंक्शनचा कार्यक्रम आयोजित केला त्या संदर्भात सांगायचं, सेफ्टीवर कोणीतरी काही चांगलं अवॉर्डचं देण्याचं कार्य करीत आहेत याच्याबद्दलही एक निपुणता आहे. मी इंडस्ट्रियल सेफ्टी डायरेक्टर ऑफ इंडस्ट्रियल सेफ्टी अँड हेल्थ ॲज अ अप्रूव्ड कॉम्पिटंट पर्सन अंडर फॅक्टरीज ॲक्ट लिसाचा खूप आभारी आहे की या फंक्शनकरता त्यांनी आपल्याला बोलवलं आणि मोटिवेशन देण्याचं जे काम लिसा करतं आहे त्याच्याबद्दल मी त्यांचा खूप आभारी आहे. आणि यापुढे त्यांनी असं फंक्शन्स आयोजित करावं जेणेकरून बऱ्याचशा लोकांना मोटिवेशन मिळेल आणि एक चांगलं कार्य त्यांच्याकडनं घडत राहू. सर्वात मोठा आनंद की काही असतं की अवॉर्ड मिळताना भाग्यश्री मॅडमांच्या हातून एक अवॉर्ड मिळालं, तेही एक आपल्या अभिमानास्पद बात आहे. परत एकदा सर्वांचा आभारी आहे. धन्यवाद.
My name is Pradeep Kumar Pathak. I am the associate director with this company. जैसा कि आप लोग जानते हैं कि हम लोग सेफ्टी के बारे में एक बहुत नॉर्मल चीज़ है कि हमको सेफ्टी बचपन से सिखाई जाती है. सेफ्टी एक ऐसी चीज़ है कि जो हमको बचपन से सिखाई जाती है, माँ बाप से ही मिली है. जब हम इतने छोटे थे, बेटा यहाँ मत चढ़ो, ऐसे मत करो, वैसे मत करो, आग से मत खेलो, पानी में मत जाओ, दिस इज़ द सेफ्टी. और वही हम अभी आप लोग को जैसे बड़े लोगों को सिखाते हैं. ये कंपनी में प्रैक्टिकली क्या रहना चाहिए, कैसे करना चाहिए, ये हमारी सेफ्टी को रखते हुए और समाज को कैसे सेफ करना है, क्योंकि इंडस्ट्री में सबसे ज़्यादा लॉस होता है इसकी वजह से. इसलिए सेफ्टी के ऊपर हमारी कंपनी इंस्पायर सेफ्टी फाउंडेशन के जो को फाउंडर है और फाउंडर हैं, एक तरह से मैं उनका फाउंडर हूँ. मैं उनका सीनियर हूँ, तो आप समझ सकते कि एज ए बिग ब्रदर मैं उनका काम किया हूँ या उनके साथ में हूँ अभी. तो आई एम द रिटायर्ड गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसर वर्किंग विथ इंस्पायर सेफ्टी फाउंडेशन एंड यूनिको. तो आप लोग का सहयोग ऐसे मिलता रहेगा तो हम कंपनी को बहुत आगे ले जाएंगे, और भगवान चाहेंगे तो हम सक्सेस ज़रूर होंगे और आपसे आगे ऐसे ही मिलते रहेंगे. थैंक यू.
from Saudi Arabia. I have nominated for the Safety Award, LISA Award, and this is really a very good award. I have to ensure safety on all of the projects, and not only the spirit in the individual, at the individual level, this is also going to have value, add value in this. And I trust and I have hope that in India, such kind of activities and initiatives has been taken, and this is going to uplift the safety culture and the safety environment into the country.
Today we are here for Golden Hook Award. We are very happy. Our company, Steel Fab Scaffolding and Engineering Private Limited, got this award. I will request my colleague, my company director, to further say something on this.
Scaffolding is very important for high-rise buildings, and especially the steel scaffolding is a must. Formerly in India there was only bamboo scaffolding, but then due to high-rise structures coming up since about last 20 years, steel scaffolding has come into picture, and we in the company of Steel Fab Scaffolding and Engineering observe highest standards in providing the scaffolding structure. Thank you.
We take very important of safety also, because we know on our scaffolding laborers are going to work and all other agencies are going to work. We have worked for L&T, Raheja, Lodha, all these big agencies.
We are constructing a elevated metro rail project from Porur to Kodambakam area. This is basically an elevated project of 15 crores project, and belongs to 9 stations. So it would be, I will be happy to announce that recently we have achieved 15 million safe man hours. So once again I would like to congratulate LISA Safety Awards organized by Inspire Safety Foundations. So as you know, all our L&T is a multinational companies where there are stringent safety procedures to be followed at the site, and daily we are doing a lot of safety activities, lifting activities with 100% perfection in safety. We are working in a very congested and narrow road in Arcot Road. So due to the time constraint and narrow road, we are following 100% safety procedures. Before doing any lifting activities, our method statement and the risk assessment is approved by CMR. Based on that, we will go for lifting activity. Before that, all the operators, riggers and helpers are going for third-party trainings conducted by external agencies. After that, they will go for specific induction and medical test. Once all the approval process is over, we will go for lifting activities.
So, good evening. Yeah. Good evening to all, and Inspire Safety Foundations and media persons also. So our L&T, we are working at CMRL EC1 project, Larsen and Tupro, and AV Civil Infrastructure. So our L&T motto is, like a slogan is, zero harm vision. That is our motto, and our target is per monthly 0.0125 fatality or reportable accident report. Means 100% में 0.0125 our target is. मतलब हमको कोई भी आदमी को किसी को चोट नहीं लगेगा तो वर्कर को हमको लगा ऐसे हम लोग ट्रीट करते हैं L&T में. सो हम लोग मतलब ऐसे L&T कोई वर्कर हमारा स्क्रीनिंग फॉर्मेलिटीज प्रोसीजर में हो गया, जस्ट इज ट्रीटेड लाइक बिकेम L&T फैमिली मेंबर्स, ऐसे ट्रीट करता है. सो सर ने दिस ऑल एक्सप्लेन दैट, बट आवर this CMR, the construction challenging is the first time in India you are constructing the island platform, 4 number stations in island platform stations, and double deck of 4.5 kilometer, like one level in metro and second level one more corridor metro for this 4.5 kilometer.
Good evening everyone, I am Sunita. We are from L&T and we are happy to receive this LISA 2025. Everybody is having that trust. When the person used to go out from office or else home, the person should be come back to home. The workplace should be safe, and we are hoping L&T should be the, L&T will ensure that workplace should be safe and the person should come back to the home and coming back to the office, and we are very happy to receive this award. Thank you. Within 2 years of experience, and we are working in that bullet train project. Hope that will complete successfully without any loss. I mean, any person loss and all. Thank you.
For recognize us in this great prestigious platform for motivate to our workers. We in the GMLR project as a Jay Kumar Infrastructure Limited, we are doing all the safety compliances as legal requirement as policy implementing to achieve the zero accident target in our project. So we received this. Thank you.
I am Janardhanam from Chennai Metro Rail Limited, Chennai. I would like to appreciate Mr. Sukla ji and the Inspire Safety Foundation for organizing this Lifting India Safety Award. In India, we are having award programs for the safety, but for the lifting safety exclusively, this is the first kind of award program. We also part of the season 1 during September 2023. Now we came for the season 2. Lot of liftings are going on for the infrastructure project.
मेरा नाम निशा शुक्ला है और मैं इंस्पायर सेफ्टी फाउंडेशन की ट्रस्टी हूँ, फाउंडर मेंबर हूँ। ये अवार्ड मैंने ऑर्गेनाइज़ किया है ताकि ये जो इंडस्ट्री है जिसको कोई रिकॉग्नाइज नहीं करता, कोई रिकॉग्निशन नहीं मिली, उसको एक पहचान देने के लिए ये इंडस्ट्री स्टार्ट किया है, ये एक इवेंट स्टार्ट किया है। मुझे उम्मीद है कि लोग जो है इसको अप्रिशिएट करेंगे और जो अभी ये सेकंड सीज़न है हम इसको और अभी हमने नेशनल लेवल पे किया है, चेन्नई, बेंगलोर, पुणे सब जगह से लोग आए हैं। इसको हम कभी इंटरनेशनल फोरम में भी पहुंचाना चाहेंगे। मेरी यही उम्मीद है। सबको पहले जितने भी अवार्डीज़ हैं सबको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं और साथ में लीसा के लिए यही प्लानिंग है कि आज नहीं तो कल हम इसको इंटरनेशनल फोरम तक भी लेके जाएंगे। थैंक यू सो मच। नहीं, एक्चुअली रिस्पांस बहुत अच्छा मिला। आप क्राउड देख के आपको समझ में आ रहा होगा कि कितने लोग आए हैं, इतने बड़े बड़े प्रोजेक्ट से लोग आए हैं और सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि जिन लोगों ने काम किया है, बहुत अच्छा जो काम किया है, उनको अवार्ड मिला है उनके अच्छे काम के लिए। तो ये इंडस्ट्री के लिए ये बहुत ज़रूरी है ये अवार्ड को स्टार्ट करना और हमने सेकेंड सीज़न किया है एंड वी आर लुकिंग फॉर मोर सीजन्स टू अप। Yes, definitely we are taking it forward. अभी ये सीज़न 3 भी होगा, आगे भी होगा लीसा। लेकिन लीसा में जो हम लिफ्टिंग इंडिया सेफ्टी में जो हम काम कर रहे हैं, अभी गुजरात गवर्नमेंट से हमको बहुत सारे ग्रांट्स मिली है। वो लोग चाहते हैं कि हम आगे काम करें, गवर्नमेंट भी सपोर्ट कर रही है, प्राइवेट जो एंटरप्रेन्योर्स हैं वो भी सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं। तो आगे हम इसको बहुत अच्छे फोरम पे लेके जाना चाहते हैं।
Very happy and proud to receive the Lifting India Safety Award from the Inspire Safety Foundation. This is a big moment for achievement Malpani Group. Thank you.
A Kamoti, competent person. Since 35 years, I am a government registered valuer, ISO consultant, and valuation. This type of this is a very great event which I have participated in so many national, international conferences and many local conferences. But this is of unique type because it is like that. It is arranged in that way, and all the people, those who have helped for this event, it is there is no word to describe in that. That type of cooperation is, and very so many big companies have been called, and very in a cooperative way this work is dealt. So I am very happy to attend this, and I hope all the success in the future also, like this event shall be arranged so that all the safety people shall meet and like that.
Representing Rajesh Crane Services from Pune, I would like to thank you Inspire Safety Foundation for recognizing our work, which will always inspire us for work in safety. Thank you.
behalf of entire Ram Janmabhoomi team, L&T team, I would like to thank Lifting India Safety, Inspire Safety Foundation for delivering such a great award for Ram Janmabhoomi project. Totally, since last 4 years, shall I speak or you are asking any questions? Continue, no? Last 3 years, we are constructing the Sri Ram Janmabhoomi projects. Initially, for the plinth stone installations, 17,000 numbers of granite stone. Each of every 3 ton the weight was successfully installed for the plinth stone. Then near about the 12 lakh CFT pink stone was used for the construction of entire Ram Janmabhoomi project. Out of these, only 1,50,000 CFT was balanced. Then after the temple will be completed. Today we are here, we are receiving the awards. But at the same time, Ram Darbar statue at the first floor of the temple was going to install. At 4:30, the same statue will be placed at the Garbhagruha at first floor.
इंस्पायर सेफ्टी फाउंडेशन का बहुत बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ। वो अपना टेक्निकल सेफ्टी का सब टेक्निकल काम करते हुए वो लोगों ने इंस्पायर सेफ्टी फाउंडेशन ने एक सोशल अवेयरनेस भी अपना याद रखा है और उसलिए हमको उन्होंने बुलाया था यहाँ। हमारी जीवदानी मतिमंद स्कूल बोल के विरार में जो बच्चे का ब्रेन डेवलप होते नहीं है, स्पेशल चाइल्ड रहते, वो उनकी हमारी स्कूल है। जो बच्चों सबसे उपेक्षित बच्चे हैं, यानी इसको माँ बाप को भी लगता कि ये कहाँ से है हमारे घर में। तो ऐसे बच्चों की हम स्कूल चलाते हैं। हमारे पास 58 बच्चे हैं अभी, हम स्कूल चलाते बच्चों की। तो उसमें हम ये सोचते कि जो माँ बाप जिससे कुछ कर नहीं सकते, तो हमारे टीचर 10 से 4:30 बजे तक लोग कैसा संभालते। एक कभी अगर आप लोग एक बार आके हमारे स्कूल में देखोगे तो पता चलेगा कि वो बच्चों को सिखाना कितना मुश्किल है। और इसलिए मैं इंस्पायर सेफ्टी फाउंडेशन को थैंक्स बोलता हूँ कि उन्होंने कम से कम सोशल अवेयरनेस का एक रख के हमको यहाँ वो अवार्ड देने के लिए बुलाया था, अवार्ड दिया। उसमें उनका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Once again, thanks to all of you and thanks to the Lisa Inspire Safety Foundation for giving me that Golden Hook Award. When I asked them about the award, why they're giving me, so they just tell me about since last 5 years, we use more than 2,600 lifting web ceilings of a different size. We also use vacuum lifter for the installation of 17,000 granite stone. It's the first time in India and first time in the construction industries we use, and first time in the construction of temple. Earlier when we asked the other vendors, have you used earlier the vacuum lifter for the installation of stone? Well, no. We are seeing the first time by using the vacuum lifter. We completed our task 3 months prior to the schedule. And the reason behind this is a technology. When we ask Mr. Anupam Shukla, when we start the activity, initially we install 20 to 30 stone per day. And our target is 17,003 numbers of granite stone. If we see the entire schedule, it will take around more than 9 months. When we introduce vacuum lifter for the installation of granite stone, then we completed all our tasks before the 3 months and then 6 months before the schedule. And okay, thanks.
I am really honored to be part of the Lifting India Safety organized by the Inspiring Safety Foundation. I am grateful to Shukla ji for giving me the opportunity to join this award program. I would like to extend my sincere appreciation to Shukla ji and his team for organizing such an outstanding award program. We already came for the season 1 for the Lifting India Safety Awards. We are coming in the second season also. I would like to come in future award programs also. I would like to appreciate Shukla ji for organizing this award program in future also. Thank you.
AFCONs, and we have bagged this award of Golden Hook Award from Inspire Safety. This is very inspirational, and I am taking this pride on behalf of the entire team to bag this award, and we will keep on doing the good work. And this initiative from Inspire Safety is very good. This inspires people to do more and more safety, take more and more safety initiatives, and do good in the industry. We are representing the industry, and we should do so much of good where safety is concerned. Thank you.
Thank you. Myself, Pankaj Kumar. I am the Chief HSE Manager from Mumbai Metro Line 5 Assurance Infrastructure Limited. I would like to inform all of you, we are erected in 1435 total segments in Mumbai Metro Line 5 and 2 steel girders segments of 57 meter and 46 meters and 65 meter of the steel bridge also in the Anjur Fata station in our alignments. So thank you all of you.
Yes.
From Pune. Last 25 years we have survived, give service to our client across the Maharashtra region and the Goa region. So currently we are focusing on the high-rise and the solar profession, including the car parkings, and we do manufacturing is in Pune and Kolhapur. So currently this year we supported to LISA, and yes, for the next many years we will support to the LISA in the safety manner. Thank you. Yeah, sure. हमारा लिफ्ट का
Mashi Solutions Private Limited. Thank you very much, Lisa and Inspire Safety Foundation for organizing such a beautiful event. It was excellent presentation, award ceremony I came across, and I am very happy that we have bagged this Golden Hook Award. This is nothing but our entire safety team and our project team contribution which leads to this present. Once again, I am thanking to our director, Mr. Prithviraj Solanki, who imbibed that culture in the organization, and he is harping on the safety from the day one, and he always take initiative, whatever additional or innovative actions can be taken in safety departments, he is always ready. So thank you for him, and due to which efforts we have bagged these awards. Thank you very much.
ये है हमारा सीजन 2, लीसा अवार्ड का सीजन 2 है. लास्ट ईयर हमने ग्रैंड सक्सेस देखा है इसका, एंड वी आर वेरी हैप्पी टू फेलिसिटेट ऑल द पीपल इन द कंस्ट्रक्शन फ्रेटर्निटी जिन्होंने ये सेफ्टी पर्पस को सुपर डुपर हिट किया है. वी आर वेरी हैप्पी टू वेलकम ऑल द अवार्डीज एंड नॉमिनीज ओवर हियर. हर साल बेहतर और बेहतर और बेहतर करने का प्रोत्साहन हर एक को यहाँ पे मिलता है. थैंक यू एवरीवन, थैंक यू ऑल. हर साल सेफ्टी स्टैंडर्ड्स को इंटरनेशनल लेवल पर लेके जाना है, और उनकी टीम यहाँ पे सीखने आनी चाहिए कि सेफ्टी कैसे मेंटेन होती है हमारे इंडिया में. Not even one life, not a single accident should be met over here in India. Thank you. भाग्यश्री जी ने बहुत ही सारे अनसेड हिडन कार्य किए हैं जो सेफ्टी पर्पस को आगे बढ़ा रहे हैं. शी वॉज ओवरवेल्म्ड, और उनके लिए फर्स्ट टाइम था ये जानना कि लीसा सेफ्टी अवार्ड्स ऐसा भी अवार्ड सेरेमनी होता है जो सेफ्टी को कंसर्न में है. ऐसा अवार्ड कभी भी कहीं पे भी नहीं हुआ है. दिस इज आवर फर्स्ट इनिशिएटिव. वी आर द फर्स्ट ones to bring this initiative over here. Thank you.
Kumar, good evening to all.
I am coming from MHSR C6 project. I received an award on behalf of our L&T. I received an award for Corporate Excellence Safety Award. It is a very prestigious award and it is a very great feeling to us. I wish. ISF is a good organization. Huh? Yeah, this award motivates us to promote us in the. This award it is a very good opportunity for us because it will motivate in future also. In MHSR C6 we are connecting lot of lifting appliances as well as safety procedures we are following. On basis of that we are getting these types of awards and really it will motivate us for coming projects and we hope to strive for some more awards in coming future. Thank you.
Future, sir, would you like to be a volunteer for ISF? For hosting this award ceremony. On behalf of Dalmia Cement, we, with the true vision of our great leaders, you have heard Mr. Sabharwal sir and Anupam Agrawal sir, who has been nominated and awarded as a Inspiration Safety Leader Award. And with the two great projects which we executed very recently, I am very much thankful to Inspire India Safety Award for this LISA Season 2 2025 for motivating us, our efforts, our dedication, our practices and our commitment to brought up so that we can inspire others. On behalf of Dalmia Cement management, we are thankful to them that they have invited us.
The technical services, we are expertise into scaffolding services in Pan India. So when we talk about Lifting India Safety Awards, so basically these things are very rare to find in India, right? Nobody recognizing the safety warriors in Pan India. So here we are very fortunate to being nominated and being awarded as a excellence into the scaffolding services, where our efforts and our hard work are being recognized at this platform. So we thank to all the members of Inspire Safety Foundation and Lifting India Safety Awards. So thank you so much.
Ex-Director, Industrial Safety and Health, Government of Maharashtra. Presently, I am the Global Community Director of Inspire Safety Foundation. It was a difficult task to facilitate the lifting persons, those who are working very nicely. But all our team has done good work and henceforth also we will conducting the different awards. Thank you.
Retired Superintending Engineer of MSCB. I am a good friend of my Anupam Shukla. This award was very good. This event has been conducted very nicely. Only one advice is that it should be started not only for the safety of working people and environment, but also for the design also. Because safety starts from design aspects and it has to be implemented, initiated at the design level. Secondly, another advice is that Golden Hook Award should be given only for one company, not for many companies. This is my opinion.
Been into manufacturing of construction equipment since past 15 years now, but we have been listening about safety, we have been hearing about safety, we have been practicing safety measures in all the construction sites. But this is the first time we have seen an organization recognizing these efforts of all our teammates, all our fellow people who have been struggling every day, who have been trying to find new measures of safety for the people working at construction sites and even at the industries. So I think it's a great gesture from Inspire Safety Foundation, and there should be more coming in. Thank you for that.
So it is really an immense pleasure. So we got facilitated by this Safety Foundation, and this is because of the safety. Actually, we are into the vertical logistics, so where safety is the paramount. We never compromise with any iota of here and there of safety.
So because of that Shakti, now we are recognized, and we are really thankful to Mr. Suklaji and his foundation. We are honored, and we wish him all the best. At the same time, we are so proud that, okay, with a small, means a very little span of time, we have achieved a lot. Thank you, gentlemen.
Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot.
Received this award. This is something which we are always embarking as a corporate of Dalmia Cement. We wanted to excel in all our safety initiative, and this award we got it by lifting a single piece, 220-ton single piece of a structure which is clinker dome, without having to avoid the working at height issues. And I am really hopeful that next year also we will come and we will again showcase our this year's performance through LISA Award 3. Thank you. Thank you very much.
लिफ्टिंग इंडिया सेफ्टी अवार्ड था। ये हमारे इंडिया में सेफ्टी कल्चर को बढ़ाने के लिए जो भी कंस्ट्रक्शन साइट है वहाँ पे फैमिली लॉस या मैन पावर का लॉस ना हो, इसलिए हम उसके लिए काम करते हैं। एंड आई एम वेरी प्राउड टू सी माई फैमिली इन लीजा सीजन 2।
Taken by Inspire Safety, Inspire Council to promote the HAC culture among the companies in terms of construction, in terms of other activities, and they should inculcate this culture across the company, across the organizations, whether it is a small or big, to have a great HAC policies in India. Thank you so much.
Like we can say at our Filmfare or National Awards function, I would like to congratulate the UNICO Inspire Safety Foundation, Mr. Anupam Shukla and his team members, Mr. Kamdar and of course, and a lot of industries directors are involved in this. And I am happy and proud that Inspiring Safety Foundation members, each and every member, I think they have worked very hard to make this event a very, very grand success. Always Anupam used to tell me, I know him for the last 10 years, more than 10 years. Every time he used to tell me something we have to do different, something we have to do. A lot of awards functions are there. CAA is giving award, National Safety Council is giving award. CADC, Vishwakarma awards are there, International ROSPA, British Safety Council, they are giving awards. But this LISA is something special in the context. In cricket, it is like running. Without running, you cannot score runs. Without running, you cannot stop runs. Without running, you cannot take catches and take wickets. Like that in construction, without lifting, you cannot do any activity. And lifting involves cranes, so many machinery. And simply it's not the conditioned machinery.
This is Vaibhavi Anand Gore from Nasik, and he is Mr. Anand Devidas Gore from Nasik. It is a privilege to be here, and the program is it was very well organized and very inspiring, truly inspiring. So I would like to thank everyone present here and the organizers. Thank you so much.
आपण जसं ऐकलं सेफ्टी ही महत्त्वाची असते. बालाजी इन्फ्राटेक
and I am Ramahari Shahu from Balaji Infratech. I am taking care of safety functions of entire Balaji group, and we are very much happy and proud moment to say that we have received this award for our safety recognition, and which has been identified by our LISA India Private LISA, that is Lifting India Safety Award, Inspiration Safety Group. So we are very much thankful to them, and thank you very much, and we will be inspired to participate in future also. Thank you very much for this.
It is very great that safety is being recognized by the industry, and it is very much required for our livelihood. Thank you.